Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're going to get a little specific here on some error codes. One of the biggest ones I know of is the F21 error code on the Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and a couple other brands that Whirlpool owns, is the F21 error code, washer won't fill. Now there's a couple of things to watch before you do that. First, start your machine, let it run. Do you see water going in? If water is going in and you still get the F21 error code, this is your problem. This is a pressure switch. What this does is there's a tube that goes from here to the tub. As water goes in, pressure builds up in the tube, and there's a little diaphragm in here that basically moves. And then when it gets to the point that it makes contact, it tells the washer there's enough, the washer's full, shuts off the water, okay? That is one possible cause. Another possible cause is if you hit start and nothing comes in, you got water valve issues because the water's not being allowed into the machine. Now I did bring a water valve because there's like 9 million different possibilities, so I didn't want to have them all lined up here for you. But it's one of the things to look at. So when you get the F21, clear the error code, start over, and hit start. Now, pay attention. Does the water enter the machine? If the water does enter the machine, odds are this is your issue. If the water doesn't go into your machine, one, check your house water and make sure it works. Okay, if that's the thing good, then pretty solid shot that your problem is going to be the water valve. At that point, you can take the water valve off, take it to your local, place that sells parts, get a new one, put it on. That should take care of the problem. But this, like I said, is the pressure switch. This is what tells the machine to turn the water off. If it overfills or underfills, this is why. So take a look, see what your machine's doing, and this is something that's easy changeable. The water valve is relatively changeable. This is something you can do at home. If you don't feel comfortable, feel free to call a technician. We can come out and take care of this for you with lickety split. And it's not too overly expensive, but like I said, you have someone come to your house, there's going to be a few dollars involved. So if you want to save it, do it yourself. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll be back next week with a lot more wonderful information for you. Have a wonderful week.